Hey fashion lovers, welcome to the Fashion Try-On. If you want to support our channel, please be sure to like and subscribe. Today we're trying on LILLY Pulitzer Holiday 2023. If you missed part 1 of this collection, be sure to check it out on our channel. And stick around for the end of our video for a few extra goodies. Okay, first up is the Leya Jacquard dress and top. These are both in the print Evergreen Hibis Kiss Jacquard. This is a beautiful, unique green-based print with a two-tone pink flower design. Truly a unique print and we can't wait to try it on. Next up, we have the Zemira Sleeveless Jumpsuit in Amaryllis Red. This is the perfect holiday red jumpsuit that comes with a waist tie and a little embellishment along the straps. Okay, first up, we're going to try on our Evergreen items. My first impressions of the dress were that it ran a little big. I did try the 00 in the dress and the 0 in the top, and both felt like they had a little bit more room than I felt was comfortable. However, seeing them both on camera made me have a different impression. It seems like the 00 actually fit quite well. Of course, excuse the blue shorts that do not go with this top, but if I had to choose one item, I would definitely go with the dress. Okay, next up, we're trying on the Zemira Sleeveless Jumpsuit. This red was such a beautiful holiday red. It was fitted, but roomy. It still had a little bit of space in the leg, and I just felt like I could move around really well. For reference, this was the size 0, so maybe this one ran small or the dress ran a little big. Now, I happen to be carrying a red purse this day, which I think totally worked out for the better, so if you do have any red accessories, I definitely suggest you try out the monochrome with this one. Okay, next up we have the Lana Scarf in the color Almond. This in person is actually kind of a sparkly gold color, which is perfect for the holidays, especially if you're going somewhere warm. And finally, we're gonna run through some goodies like these awesome gold slippers, or this very vibrant holiday red sweater set. This actually does come with the sweater and the tank, so what a duo. And of course, if you do want to stay a little bit more traditional Lilly, you do have some traditional pink and green looks. This 2 set was absolutely so cute. And if you like the print but weren't vibing with the maxi skirt, you could always go with the traditional short dress. Now be sure to join the Lilly Club because they do offer free gifts with purchase, especially around the holiday season like these Mommy and Me apron sets. You can find details and a promo in the description below. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.